The ChatGPT language model is one of the more intriguing AI-driven developments, as it endeavors to replicate human speech in text-based interactions. But what is ChatGPT, and how does it function? This guide will introduce beginners to ChatGPT, exploring its origins, working principles, applications, recent innovations, and challenges for 2025. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot engineered to engage in authentic, contextually aware conversations. The term GPT denotes a neural network architecture specifically designed for natural language processing, NLP. What is NLP? One subfield of AI, natural language processing, NLP, allows computers to comprehend, analyze, and react to human speech. Natural language processing, NLP, allows computers to process and produce text or voice in a manner that mimics human naturalness. In contrast to conventional chatbots that utilize pre-established scripts, ChatGPT produces text-based replies dynamically by assimilating extensive data. It can answer queries, assist with writing tasks, and even generate creative content, making it one of the most advanced AI communication tools available today. Who created ChatGPT? OpenAI, which features ChatGPT, was established in 2015 by a group of trailblazing thinkers that included Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and others. OpenAI's objective is to guarantee that artificial intelligence serves the interests of humanity. Over the years, OpenAI has introduced multiple versions of the GPT model, refining its accuracy, fluency, and responsiveness. A major milestone was reached with GPT-2 in 2019, showcasing its ability to generate coherent and realistic text. This was followed by GPT-3 in 2020, which brought significant improvements in conversational AI. ChatGPT is a refined version of these models, tailored specifically for chat-based interactions. How ChatGPT works. Figuring out to use ChatGPT, you need to know the basics of how AI language models work. In simpler terms, here's what it means. Training on a lot of data, a variety of text sources, such as books, papers, websites, and other types of text, are used to teach ChatGPT. Context awareness. When a user inputs a message, ChatGPT uses deep learning to assess the context and choose the most appropriate response. Generating responses. The AI chooses the most likely words based on how it has interacted with humans in the past. It doesn't think for itself, instead, it uses trends in a huge amount of data to come up with answers. Refinement. OpenAI keeps ChatGPT up to date with new data sources and user comments, which makes it more accurate and useful over time. Practical applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT serves multiple purposes across various fields. Below are some of the most common use cases. 1. Education and research helps students by simplifying complex topics. Summarizes research papers, books, and historical events. Provides language learning assistance through conversational practice. 2. Content generation assists in writing blog posts, articles, and creative stories. Aids content creators in brainstorming ideas and refining drafts. Generates social media content and marketing materials. 3. Customer service powers chatbot systems to provide instant customer support. Automates responses to frequently asked questions, FAQs. Enhances user interactions in online service portals. 4. Programming support assists developers by providing code suggestions and debugging assistance. Explains programming concepts in a simplified manner. Generates code snippets for specific applications. 5. Personal assistance helps users manage schedules, write emails, and summarize documents. Provides recommendations for books, movies, and travel destinations. 3. Engages in general discussions for entertainment purposes. Recent advancements in ChatGPT 2025. OpenAI continues to enhance ChatGPT with significant updates and innovations in 2025. Some of the latest improvements include: 1. Enhanced context awareness. The newest version of ChatGPT features improved memory retention, allowing it to remember past conversations more effectively, making interactions smoother and more contextually relevant. 2. Real-time data access. Unlike previous versions, the 2025 update allows ChatGPT to retrieve real-time information from the internet, enabling it to provide up-to-date news, financial insights, and weather forecasts. 3. Multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT can now analyze images, audio, and video, making it a more powerful assistant for multimedia content creation and analysis. 4. Personalized user experience. The latest update introduces personalization features, allowing ChatGPT to tailor responses based on user preferences and past interactions. 5. Improved ethical safeguards. To address ethical concerns, OpenAI has refined ChatGPT to minimize biases and enforce stricter safety protocols, ensuring responsible AI usage. Challenges facing AI in 2025. Despite rapid advancements, several challenges remain in AI development and deployment. 1. Addressing bias in AI responses. AI models can sometimes generate biased or misleading content based on the data they were trained on. OpenAI is actively working to improve fairness and eliminate biases in AI responses. 2. Data privacy and security. With AI personalization features, concerns about user data privacy continue to grow. OpenAI ensures that ChatGPT does not store sensitive user information, but data security remains an ongoing challenge. 3. Over-reliance on AI. Excessive dependence on AI for writing, learning, and decision-making raises concerns about human creativity and employment. Maintaining a balance between AI assistance and human involvement is crucial. 4. Combating misinformation. AI-generated content can sometimes be misleading or inaccurate. OpenAI is implementing fact-checking mechanisms to ensure more reliable outputs and prevent misinformation spread. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we communicate with AI. Whether you're a student, content creator, developer, or just someone curious about artificial intelligence, understanding how ChatGPT works can open up new possibilities. With continuous improvements in accuracy, personalization, and ethical safeguards, ChatGPT remains at the forefront of AI innovation. However, addressing challenges like bias, misinformation, and data security is essential to building a responsible AI future. For beginners, exploring ChatGPT is an exciting journey. Whether for learning, creativity, or problem-solving, integrating AI into daily life is becoming an invaluable skill in the modern digital landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content.